Educational content only, not financial advice, bro. Don't sue me. All right, welcome back to Commission Desk. 30 seconds to smarter money. Today we're going a little longer than 30 seconds because this one really matters. 6 million investment accounts opened in just a few days for kids. While everyone's arguing about which AI company goes public first, the biggest shift in who actually owns the US stock market just happened, and almost nobody's talking about it. By the end of this video, you'll understand a tailwind that could support American stocks for the next 18 years. So first, let's talk about the event markets are waiting for, the AI IPOs. The two names to watch are OpenAI and Anthropic. Whoever goes public first sets the tone for everything. The pricing, the valuations, and the whole psychology around AI. And we already have a blueprint. SpaceX proved you can take a company that burns enormous cash at a sky-high valuation, public at massive scale, and make it work. Right now, Anthropic has confidentially filed, and OpenAI is regaining momentum. So expect blockbuster IPOs, but don't chase the hype. Watch the burn rates and how that first one prices, because it anchors the second. And remember, the real bottleneck in AI isn't chips, it's energy and infrastructure. That's where the smart, indirect plays are hiding. Now, quick context. Meta is pushing open models and aggressive pricing, trying to commoditize parts of the stack. But here's the nuance most people miss. The bottom gets commoditized, the frontier doesn't. For the hard tasks, performance still beats cost. Meanwhile, China is moving the other way, pulling its best models away from open source for national security reasons. And believe it or not, less Chinese competition could actually help American frontier labs over time. Okay, now here's the part I actually made this video for. New tax-advantaged investment accounts for American kids launched on July 4th. And the numbers are staggering. More than 6 million accounts are already open, according to the Treasury. About 1.4 million of them qualify for a $1,000 federal seed for children born between 2025 and 2028. Roughly $800 million in fresh capital is hitting the market this week alone. And where does it go? Straight into S&P 500 index funds housed at Robinhood and BNY Mellon. Families can add up to $5,000 a year. The money is locked until the child turns 18. Then it converts into a retirement account. There's even a philanthropy layer. The Dell family pledged over $6 billion for kids who missed the seed window. So, why does this matter? Because it creates millions of new, long-term, essentially forced buyers of US stocks for the next 18 years and beyond. Think about what 401ks and IRAs did for stock ownership in this country. This is that same idea, but starting at birth with the money going directly into equities. Now, stack the two forces together. On one side, millions of new equity buyers entering the market automatically every single year. On the other, an AI spending boom demanding unprecedented power and compute. More retail participation plus exploding AI demand equals a sustained bid for stocks and the companies that enable them. But let me be honest with you, because that's what we do here. This is not a buy today signal. It's a multi-year structural read. Bitcoin's having a brutal year, the Fed isn't cutting, and gold pulled back from its highs. In the short term, plenty can still go wrong, but the foundation underneath US stocks just gained a new pillar that most people are completely ignoring. So, what do you watch this week? Earnings season kicks off today with the big banks, the near-term test of whether profits can keep this market moving. That's your setup. Follow Commission Desk, because every day we give you 30 seconds to smarter money. We watch the money so you can see the signal.